Hello everyone, today we will see how you can make an image for your social media profile. And if you have no any idea of graphic designing, then also you can make this type of image. So watch this video till end and make your own social media profile pic. First of all, go to the web browser and write bing.com in search bar. After that, click on image button and then click on create button. Now write the prompt here which type of image you want to generate. So I already written the prompt in Word, so I simply copy it from the Word and paste it here. The prompt that I have written here will put it on the description so that you can watch it later and make the prompt according to your need. After writing the prompt, click on create button and after that AI will generate the image according to your prompt. So now you can see the AI will generating your image. Now you can see AI generated your image. So now you can click on any of the images and download all the images. After downloading all the images, go to another website having an URL remarkers.ai for changing the downloaded image with your original image. Now upload both the image here, the downloaded one and your own image from which you want to swap the image. After uploading the image, click on swap button and AI will generate the downloaded image with your own image. After generating the image, you can download it by simply clicking on download button and use it as your social media profile pic. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and share this video and also click on bell icon for further update. Thank you.